Hi guys, we're going to see this RGB Smart LED strip LED for reviewing purposes, and I think it's nice because it has multiple color effects, it has music rhythm synchronization and 16 million colors, and it is dimmable, which I think it's some really nice functions. We have here the instruction manual on how to place them and use the controller, which I think it's nice. The proper LED strip, okay. This part we have the power adapter, and in this little box we have the controller instructions, the receiver for the controller, which you can use as a regular controller with limited keys, and we have the proper controller in here, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and install it in my TV and let's see how it looks. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. We have different modes which you can select these cross buttons and also speed as it goes, or lower it depending on what we want. Set it up automatically so it goes. We can change the tonalities with these buttons and many different configurations like music modes. As you can see, it activates with the voice, which I think it's a really nice function. And overall, we have different modes depending on what you want to set it up. I think it's really nice. As you can see, it's really easy to control. Turn it off, on, and everything. It's really easy to control, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.